Hello everybody, now I am conducting class 1 GK. Again I am repeating, I am conducting class 1 GK. Last day we have done up to page number 10. Okay. Now we will learn up from page number 11 to page number 15. The question answers I have given in the given link. You will click the link, from there you will get the answer. Again I am repeating, I have given the answer in the given link. Click there and you will get all the answers, but I will discuss the portions. Like the first portions we have learned about flowers. There you can see that pictures was given and various flowers name was given. What is the name of the each flower? Like marigold, daisy, orchid, hibiscus, sunflower, rose, lily. There are many more flowers. 10 flowers you will get, and the 10 flowers individual have 10 specific characteristics. What is the characteristic? Like marigold is maybe yellow color, it may be orange in color. Then these things you will learn from the marigold. Okay. Then again I am repeating, there are so many things like orchid. Orchid is many more colors. We can see nowadays orchid, many colors of orchids are there. Lily, we all know that lily is also very beautiful. Tulip, tulip is the most beautiful flower, and in Kashmir we can experience the beautiful tulip garden during the end of March to first week of the April. You can experience the beautiful tulip garden. Okay, so there are many more flowers. You will first identify the flowers, and next class we will discuss the small things about each flower. Okay, go to the next page, that is page 12, and we will identify everything which is our national, like which is our national flag. I know that you will know which is our national flag. The first picture is our national flag, and our national flag has 3 colors: saffron, white and green, and in the middle we get the Ashok Chakra. Second picture is our national bird, that is the beautiful peacock. Okay. Third picture is given our national emblem. Fourth picture is our national flower, that is lotus. Fifth picture is our national animal, and the last picture is our national game, that is hockey. Okay, you will note down everything in your CW copy. Okay, again I am repeating, you will write like page 11 all the answers, like number 1 answer this, number 2 like this, page number 12, page number 13, like that. You will note down everything in your CW copy. Okay, and if you have any doubt, mail to me like Dear Mo Ma'am and at the DPSJ help desk. Even you can comment in the comment box if you have any doubt. Next page 13, go to next page number 13. Pictures are given, you have to identify. Like the first person is Mahatma Gandhi. We all know that Mahatma Gandhi is known as what? Yes, he is known as also Bapuji. He is known as the father of our nation. Okay, even we can see his picture in our currency, in our currency, that is, if you see 1 rupee, then you can see the picture of Mahatma Gandhi also. Then next, national emblem. Then next one is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is our first Prime Minister of our country. Okay, he is the first Prime Minister of our country. Next thing is tiger. Then Rabindranath Tagore. We all know the famous Rabindranath Tagore. He is known as the Kavi Guru, and he is the writer of our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Okay, and most of us have visited already Shantiniketan. We all know that it also established by him. It is his the Vishwabharati, that university is located over there. Then next picture is lotus. Next picture is rupee, that is currency of India. What is rupee? The currency of India. And the last picture is about peacock, that is our national bird. Okay, now go to the next page. There are also few pictures given. The first picture you can see one gate, that is Gateway of India. That is Gateway of India. Second picture, the beautiful mesmerized Taj Mahal. It has been built by the emperor, by the time of the emperor who? Shah Jahan, in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Begum. In whose memory? Memory of his wife Mumtaz Begum. Okay. Next, India Gate. Next picture is also look like a gate. That is also India Gate. The fourth picture is Lotus Temple. It is located at Delhi. Okay, Lotus Temple. See, look like a lotus. And then the fourth picture is Qutub Minar. And the last picture is Charminar. Get it? Now come to the next page. Page number 15. Again I am repeating page number 14 once more. Gateway of India, Taj Mahal, India Gate, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar and Charminar. All these answers given in the link. Please click the link. You will get all the answers. Then last page, that is page 15. Today this is the last page of our discussion. That is the name of our country. I know you all know that. Yes, what is the name of our country? India. The name of our city. What is the name of our city? Kolkata. The name of our state. What is the name of our state? Yes, West Bengal. The color of our national flags are saffron, white and green. Fifth one, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. What is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. And who wrote it? This is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. 2 questions as is given as home task. This is your home task. The governor of a state and the chief minister of a state. You will do it by yourself and note it down. If you have any doubt, any query, again I am telling, go to our mail, TPSJ help desk, and over there you can note down like Dear Mom, and if you have any doubt, note down like that, and even in the comment box. Okay. So stay tuned. Bye bye and wait for the next class.